Hi guys, welcome to Artisan Lab. This is video number 98 for learning memory system in Django with ReactJs. In this video, we will work on the forget password in the teacher panel. Right? In our previous video, you have seen that how we have implemented the student login via OTP. Right? So let's try to implement that. Okay. So first of all, we will go to the teacher login component. Right? And add here the link. Okay, before that I have defined the process that we are going to follow in this video for forget password. So first of all, when user click on the link, we will redirect on the we will redirect on the forget password page where teacher will add the email ID, right? And when he submit the form, then we will send a link on the email. Okay, so we will send a link on the email. So when teacher click on the link or copy and paste the link in the browser, we will show the form change password. Okay, we will also match that if user is exist or not, right? So after existing success, then we will send the link. And after okay, so the change password form, when we when user click on the link, right? Teacher or user, you can see this. Okay, so after changing the password, we will submit after changing the password, teacher will submit the form, and we will implement the change password, right? So let's do that. So first of all, we need to add a link here on the teacher login form, right? So let's go here. Okay, Django frontend source component teacher and login, not opened. Okay, yeah, so let's click here. Where is the okay, so here is the login. We will add a p tag here, right? And also add link, right? And in the link, as you know, we will add two, and let's say forget password. Okay, we'll say let's define initial teacher forget password. Let's add here forget password question mark, and add a class and define text danger, right? So this is teacher login. Okay, what it is saying now? Why this is not? Let's see, link. Okay, we need to use the link here, right? Okay, that's correct. Okay, so forget password, you can see that. Now just give some margin. So I'll give margin top 3. Alright, so now when we click on this, it should go to the form. Okay, so what I will do, I will copy this same form, or let's copy the okay, let's copy the form. Actually, let's copy the whole data. Do we have forgot password before? Did we create the page for that? No, I think we have changed password but not forgot password. Okay, okay, copy, new, paste, save, and it will be forgot password.js, right? Let's implement the basic things. Forget password, teacher login data, you can say teacher data, just teacher data, right? And we just need the email ID, not anything else. And we will say teacher data, and the teacher data will be here. Okay, teacher data, don't need the password, right? Teacher form data. Okay, the base URL will be teacher forgot password. right? And if boolean is true, then we will redirect to if boolean is true, we just need a message, right? So please check your email. We'll just say please check your email, right? So set error message, set success message. Okay, set success message. So let's create that. Set success message. All right. Okay, so here we have a message for both, success message, and we will show this message here, right, in the green text, right? So success message, here we have a success. Okay, so let's implement this. So we have teacher data, we don't need the password, we just remove this. Right now, what else we need? Forget password. Let's add in the main component. Let's add in the main component. Here we are. So copy, paste. We will say forget password. Okay, we need to change in when we create the user, then we need to change this because the name will be same. Okay, so this will be login and we will say forget password, right? So forgot password. All right, so let's refresh this page, click here. Okay, teacher forgot password, right? Teacher forgot password, here we are, right? So now what we need to do, just remove this button, send. Okay, here we are, right? So enter your email, enter your registered email, right? So enter your registered email and forget password, teacher forget password, right? So this is the page. Now when we so we have completed our first step, I think. Enter registered email and forget password page. Okay, now when we click on this, we need to check this email is exist, right? And then we will send the link at that email, right? So let's implement that. Okay, so let's check this. When we enter the email, then we will send the link. Okay, so let's first go to the teacher. We will see for the teacher. Okay, so we have email. This is the email. Okay, so let's copy this email, right, and enter here. Okay, so let's understand the process. Sorry. When we click on send, it will send the email with a link. So how we will justify that the email the link is associated with this user? Actually, we will create a 6-digit number, and here we will change that number, right? For this we will use the OTP digit for the login and as well as for the forgot password, right? So in the email, in the link, we will add this number. So when user click on that, right, so we will with this email, with the ID of the user, right, with this ID and with this OTP, we will check that this user exists and we will change that user password, right? So let's see how we will implement this. So forgot password. So when we click on this, it will go to this teacher forgot password, right? So let's open the now backend part is start, right? So LMS API main view URL. Let's open this both files. So first of all, URL. Okay, alright, so we have I'll copy this one and paste it here, right? So I'll say forget password, right? So forgot password, right? And remove all the other things, right? So we'll say here or its name is teacher forgot password. Actually, teacher forgot password. What's the name? Check. Yes, teacher forgot password, right? And okay, so the function is teacher forgot password. Copy this and paste it, right? So paste it. Definition this request, right? So let's see verify student as a email. We have this. Okay, so I'll copy this and paste it here, and let's change the function here. Okay, so first of all we need email. So email, we will get the email, right? And we will verify that if this email is exist, right? So this email, right? If verify return false and massive, we will send the message, we'll send invalid email, right? So we don't need this. We don't need to update this. Actually, we need to send the we need to send and add. Alright, so email, and we will update the OTP digit equal to, okay, we have created the OTP digit where in the models, no, in the serializer, I think. Okay, OTP digit, are we creating or not? We are using the random int. Yes, we are here using. Alright, so control Z Y, yes, OTP digit, right? So we will, if user is available, then we will create a link. Okay, so link will be format http localhost 3000, whatever our website is. We'll say change teacher change password, teacher change password, right? And then we will pass here teacher ID, right? And actually teacher ID, okay, actually we don't need to use the OTP, we just need the teacher ID, right? So we don't need to use this. If we have email, then we can fetch the teacher and we can send the teacher change password, and here we have a verify ID. Okay, let's do one thing. We have something, let's see. Oh no, that will not work. Okay, no problem. Okay, so here we have a link, and we need to send email. So send email, where it is, send mail, sorry. Okay, so here we are, right? Copy. Alright, so this one. Okay, and what we need to do, Okay, so we need to send email at this email. Okay, and link is here. All right. Okay, so now let's test this. First of all, we will test this with the invalid email. So let's see this at @gmail.com. Let's see what it is returning. Send. All right, so 500 error. Teacher forgot password, missing one requirement argument, teacher ID. Oh, no need this. No need for this. All right, so this is gmail.com. Send. Okay, invalid email. Now it's correct. Now let's copy this and paste it here. Right, send. Let's see, invalid email. Again it's saying invalid email. Let's see why this is saying. If verify email equal to email. Oh, this is not a student, this is teacher. All right, so @gmail.com. send 200. Okay, student ID is fetching. What is this? Oh, actually we need teacher ID. Actually we need message. No need for teacher ID, we need message. Okay, please check your email. Okay, so what we are doing with the message? So if data.bool equal to true, then we are set success message. All right, let's see again. So tree@gmail.com. send. What is that? Oh, it's cree, not tree. Cree. All right, please check your email. Why the two messages are showing? Okay, we need to set this empty. If success, then we need to set the error message empty. If error, then we need to set success message empty. Yeah, that's a trick. Okay, cree@gmail.com. send. Please check your email. So let's check the email. Here we are. So this is our email. So let's copy this link. Okay, teacher change password. Actually we didn't do anything for this, so let's create the form and attach with the main component, right? So we have what we have, forgot password. Okay, so let's copy all of the thing, new, okay, save, right? And let's say change password, right? So this will be change password. I thought we have created change password. No, okay, no problem. So this is change password, right? And it will be password. We just need to send password, right? So this is password, this is password. Okay, and teacher change password, and everything else is teacher change password. All right, so everything else is fine. Okay, so this will copy here, teacher change password, and here we will add teacher ID, right? Okay, so where is the forget password? Here. Let's say change password. All right, we are using somewhere or not? Okay, so now when we click open this link, teacher change password and teacher ID, then it should open this, right? So okay, so what we are doing here in the teacher change password, we are just enter your password, right? So this is our password field, and this will be type password, and this is also password, name password, okay, and let's say change. All right, and when we click on this, we are passing the we need one more thing. Okay, we are not using the link here. We need one more thing. We need a parameter that which teacher we are verifying. Okay, this is teacher ID. So use params, use params from React router DOM. Here, use params, right? And here we have a teacher ID, and we will pass the teacher ID here. Correct, everything is correct. Teacher change password, so trailing slash, so we have, don't need the models, don't need the serializer. Okay, so teacher change password, so copy this, paste it here. We are trying to do everything in one shot, okay. So this is teacher ID. All right, so teacher change password. All right, so in the view, let's copy this, paste here, teacher change password, and here we have a teacher ID. All right, so teacher ID, and this is ID, teacher ID. Okay, so what we will do here, if verify this, then copy this, paste it here, okay, and update password equal to password. Okay, so we will post the password here, yes. Okay, we are currently saving the plain password. Okay, so we will say password has been changed, oops, some error occurred. Okay, so let's go for the change password, and everything seems fine. Okay, all right, so let's copy this link. Where is that? Okay, we'll create this new one. All right, so it is saying something, a change password has already been declared. Okay, change password is already been declared. Okay, all right, so we have this change password. Let's say forget change password, right? So this is not declared. Forget change password. Let's change the component name also. Okay, forget change password, cut this, reopen this. No, we need to rename this from here. For change password, rename forget change password. All right, now it's fine. So navigate, we are not using navigate. Okay, no need. Then Alright, so let's go to refresh the page here. Okay, so kri@gmail.com, send. Please check your email. Let's check the email. Okay, and copy this link. Oh, we have closed the server. Okay, copy this link, paste it here. So please enter your password. Okay, so I will enter my password. Okay, what was before this? Okay, change password has been changed. Let's refresh this page. Here you can see that, right? So we have successfully implement the forgot password, right? So I will request you to apply this on user forgot password also. Okay, currently we have applied on teacher forgot password, right? So this is the way that we have implemented, right? Maybe there are also lots of way available, but I have implemented this manually so that we can understand the process. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Please share, subscribe, like this channel. Okay, in the next video we will apply on the student forgot password. Then we will do other things like messaging from student to teacher, teacher to student. Then I think we will complete this, right? And follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and if you have any message then you can directly send me on Instagram or via Facebook. You can also follow me on GitHub and support me via Razorpay, PayPal. And after supporting, just send me your email ID. I will give you the access. I will give you the access of the repository, right? And support me as much as you can, and please request you to subscribe my channel, like this video and share this video. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.